Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this very quick tutorial I will show you how to make a PDF file in mobile from gallery photos. Guys, for this you will need a Google account, of course. So after that you will need to go to the Google Drive. It is basically a cloud storage that Google provides. After that, just choose any folder or just a parent, like a mother folder in your Google Drive. Upload a screenshot or a photo that you wish to convert into a PDF. As you can see, I have this one right here. As you can see, it's very amazing. I like it very much. 3 dots, press on that. After that, scroll down, press on print. And as you can see, now we have a button, Save as PDF. And you can probably see we have a word letter on the upper right. And right under it we have a button, Save as PDF. So press on that button and now your beautiful image will be saved into your phone storage in the PDF format. Enjoy guys, this is very simple. Press like, subscribe, see you next time.